The easiest way to get a $500 per month client is to give them something for free first. Sounds backwards, but this is exactly how I've built multiple seven-figure agencies, and it works for one simple reason. The real problem agency owners have when it comes to getting new clients isn't pricing, it's trust. It's no secret that local business owners get pitched constantly. Websites, ads, SEO, social media. So they ignore pretty much everyone, which is why nobody responds to your calls or emails or DMs. But when you show up and say, hey, I built this thing for you, before there's a price, before there's a pitch, before there's any ask at all, everything changes because you skipped the sales pitch and went straight to the proof. Over the past 10 years, I've built 3 different seven-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns. And today, I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. And one of the things I figured out pretty early on is that the hardest part of selling anything to a local business owner isn't the price you're charging. It's getting them to trust you enough to even consider having a conversation with you at all. The free website model that I'm about to teach you solves that completely. So here's what we're covering. How to build a professional website in 15 minutes with AI, the exact messages that get business owners to respond before you pitch, and how to turn one client into $500 to $900 per month without it feeling like a sale. So here's what this looks like, and I call it the front door method. Step 1, build the door. Step 2, connect the system. Step 3, stack the offer. Write that down. That's the whole model. No fancy funnel diagrams, no sacred scrolls, just 3 steps. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to execute all 3. Before we get into the demos though, let me explain why this works. Most agency owners, when trying to sell something like a website, well, they reach out cold, they explain what they do, they quote a price, and then they wonder why nobody ever calls them back. Well, the reason is simple. A website sounds like a commodity. Business owners have been pitched websites 100 times before, and they've probably been burned too, so they just don't care. But here's what actually happens when you show up and say, hey, I already built you something. Because now they're not evaluating a proposal anymore. Instead, they're looking at a finished thing with their name on it. And that is a completely different emotional experience. And the website isn't the real thing that you're selling anyway. It's just the door. What's behind the door, the automated follow-up, the AI receptionist, the review system, well, that's what they pay for every month. The website just gets you in the room. In marketing, we call these kind of offers tripwires or teasers or gateways because their goal is just to get someone's attention long enough to make them raise their hand and signal that they want more. The first time I tested this strategy, I built a site for a small plumbing company in Arizona. It took me about maybe 20 minutes. I sent the message that I'm going to show you in just a few minutes, and the owner replied almost immediately with, wait, you already built this? And that turned into a $600 per month client. Okay, so step 1. And this is where most people overcomplicate things and get stuck. So pay attention here because this only works if you actually do it, not if you perfect it. Speed beats perfection every single time. Step 1, build the door. The software I use for all of this is called HighLevel. I've got a free trial link in the description below this video, so grab that now and follow along, or just watch this first and then click the link after. Either way. Now, most people think that building a website means hours of custom design work and going back and forth on fonts and colors and design and writing every single word from scratch and worrying about whether it looks professional enough. That's not what we're doing here. You see, there's this massive library of pre-built templates right here, and I've got tons more custom built that I'll show you how to get access to as well. These are already designed, already laid out, already structured to convert visitors into calls and booked appointments. So all you need to do is pick one that fits your niche, hit install, and you're 90% done, which is about 85% more than most people ever get. Now I'll swap the logo, business names in there too, use AI content tool to rewrite all the copy in about 30 seconds. One prompt, 30 seconds, done. We've got a clean, professional, conversion optimized website, and it took probably 5 minutes total. And if you're not using HighLevel yet, completely fine. The same approach works with most website builders, Squarespace, Wix, whatever you've got. Templates plus an AI rewrite equals fast, professional sites that don't look like templates. The software just makes it faster. All right, so now the website exists. Next, we need to actually get it in front of someone. So that's step 2. Connect the system. This is the step that most people either skip or completely mess up. There are 2 ways to reach out with a free website you just built. The wrong way is a long message explaining what you do and listing all the features and asking them to jump on a call to hear about your pricing. I've sent that message thousands of times, which is how I know it doesn't work. I'm a slow learner, apparently. And the reason that kind of message doesn't work is because you're asking for a lot before you've given them anything. The right way is tiny. Embarrassingly small. So small, in fact, that your brain is going to try to improve it. Well, don't. Here's exactly what I say. You're going to want to write these down because you're going to want to come back to them later. Now, which message that you send depends on whether or not they already have a website. Message 1 is for when they have a website, but it's not great. So send this. Hey, name, I was searching for niche in city and came across your site. So what that would look like with all of the blanks filled in is something like, hey Dave, I was searching for plumbers in Denver and came across your site. Okay, let's get back to the script. Got some great reviews out there, by the way. I found a few things that might be costing you leads, so I went ahead and put together a new version optimized for more calls and customers. Would it be okay to send you the link? Then, for businesses without a website, which, believe me, still exist, you send this message. Hey, name, I was trying to find your website when searching for niche in city, but couldn't find one. I know this is a bit out of nowhere, but I went ahead and built you one. Would it be okay to send you the link to check it out? Now, notice what both of these messages do. They don't pitch a price, they don't ask for a call, they don't talk about your agency or your experience or how long you've been doing this, which is great news if you're just getting started. All they're doing is just asking for permission to share something that you already did for them. That is a tiny request, and tiny requests get responses, whereas big requests just get ignored. Bit of a side note here, but using language like, I know this is a bit out of nowhere, does a lot of work in the second message as well, because it names the awkwardness instead of pretending that it isn't there. Business owners are busy, and they're being sold to pretty much constantly. So acknowledging the surprise actually makes it feel less weird. Now, when it comes to sending these messages, you can send them by email, by DM, by phone. The medium matters way less than the actual message. So they respond. They want to see the website. You send the link, they like it. Now here's where most people leave money on the table. So what you're looking at right here is one of the automations that's running behind the website. This is what you're really selling, and it solves one of the biggest problems that most business owners have that's quietly losing them money every single day. Imagine this for a second. Someone's out there looking for a roofer and lands on their website. They fill out their form and they're ready to book an appointment. The customer at this point is thinking, all right, this looks good. I'll reach out and see if they can help me. And then, what do you think happens next? Well, if you guessed absolutely nothing, then you guessed right. In most cases, after someone fills out a form on a business's website, nothing happens. Certainly not instantly. No reply, no text, no call. So what does the customer do? Well, they go to the next business on Google and they just keep going until somebody responds. And that happens constantly, every single day, to the vast majority of businesses out there. And most business owners have no idea that it's happening to them. Now, here's the solution that you're offering. The second someone fills out that form, within 60 seconds, their phone buzzes with a text that says, hey, just saw your message. Happy to help. When's a good time to connect? There's no delay, there's no missed opportunity, and if the customer doesn't reply, the system follows up again in 2 hours. Then, once again the next morning, completely automatic. The business owner could be out on a job, or driving, or just living their life, and leads are being handled instantly. Now here's why this matters in actual numbers. If a business doesn't respond to a new lead within 5 minutes, the chance of ever converting that lead drops by about 80%. Plus, the average business responds in 42 hours. That's right, 42 hours. The gap is where most revenue is quietly dying every single week. So what you're really selling here isn't a website. It's speed. It's making sure that every single lead gets a response every single time. And that's something that business owners will happily pay for month after month because they can actually see it working. Now, if you're not ready to set up automations yet, that's okay. Even just the website gets your foot in the door. You could give the business owner a simple copy and paste script that they send manually after each inquiry. Something like, hey, just saw your message, when's a good time to connect? I mean, it's not perfect, but it's 10 times better than no follow-up at all. The automation that we're using here just makes sure that it happens every single time without anyone having to think about it. Okay, step 3, stack the offer. So now you've got a client paying monthly for the website and follow-up system. That's your entry point. But this is where things start to scale because there's still one more problem that almost every local business has, and they don't even realize how much it's costing them. That problem is missed phone calls. Here's what this actually looks like. A customer finds the business on Google, they hit call, the phone rings, there's no answer. Well, maybe the business owner's on a job, again, maybe they're driving, maybe it's 7 p.m. and they've switched off for the day. So what does that customer do? Well, just like before, they call the next business. And that's it. And that customer is now gone forever. That customer could have been a $3,000 job, a $5,000 job, sometimes more. And all of this is gone just because nobody picked up the phone. And again, just like before, this happens every single day. So here's the fix. This is called an AI receptionist, sometimes called voice AI or AI employee. Doesn't matter what you call it, the point's the same. The second that phone rings, it gets answered. Doesn't matter if it's 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. The AI greets the caller, asks what they need, qualifies the lead, and can book them straight into the calendar. There's no voicemail, there's no missed opportunity, there's no, I meant to call them back, but got busy. Now, the big concern with these AI receptionists used to be that the voices sounded fake and robotic. which is a fair criticism. They used to be terrible, but lucky for us, today they're better than ever. For example, this voice here is called Dakota.
The 90s were fun because it was a time full of new trends, creativity, and pop culture.
This one is called Aaron.
Hey, my name is Aaron, and this is my natural speaking voice, which is great for conversations. So let's grab a cup of coffee and chat.
But there's a ton more to choose from. Let me call one of my AI agents now so you can hear what it sounds like in real life.
Hello, you have reached Precision Auto Repair. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I accidentally ran into a tree and I need someone to fix my car.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. I'm glad you're okay. We can definitely help get your car back in shape. Would you like me to check our availability to schedule an appointment for you?
Yeah, do you have any appointments available this afternoon by chance?
Let me check what we have available this afternoon. One moment. We have a few openings this afternoon. Here are the available times. At 2 p.m., at 3 p.m., at 3:30 p.m. Do any of these work for you?
Yeah, let's do 2 p.m. please. And that's what your clients are getting. And this is why you don't have to sell this. You just have to not talk while they listen to it. The moment they hear it, they get it. So instead of pitching them, you just say this. Write this down or feel free to screenshot it just like before. Hey, name, noticed you're missing calls after hours. I can add something that answers every call, books appointments automatically, and makes sure you never lose another lead. Takes me about 10 minutes to set up. Want me to add it? That is the whole conversation. And now you've gone from a simple website client to being someone running a complete system that actively makes them money every single day. Now, if they're not ready for this yet, no pressure. Just deliver results on what they already have first, show them leads and customers being captured, show them the follow-up working, then come back to this once they've seen the system doing something real for them. Now, we'll talk about pricing here next, but first I just want to say that while you can bundle all of these things together right from day one, it's typically a much easier sale and progression to introduce them one thing at a time. Just one thing, results, then expand. That's how you keep clients long-term instead of overwhelming them and losing them after 60 days. So now let's look at what the math actually adds up to. Entry point is the website plus the follow-up system for $497 a month. Again, not for the website, but for the complete lead capture and follow-up engine that the website is attached to. Add the AI receptionist and you're at $697 a month. Add review automation that sends a review request to every customer after each job, and you're approaching $900 a month just from one client. Now think about this from the business owner's side for a second. A roofer's average job is what? $5,000, $8,000? If your system captures even one additional job per month that they would have otherwise lost to a competitor who happened to pick up the phone fast or actually replied to their email, then your entire monthly fee is covered by that one job. Everything after that is pure profit for them. In fact, getting them even one extra job almost pays for your service for an entire year. That math kind of sells itself here. You're not convincing anyone of anything. You're just showing them numbers that they already understand. Now, two things I want to be straight with you about. First, the first time you ever do initial outreach, it's going to take longer than you want it to. I've seen videos out there promising you'll get your first client in something like 27 minutes. And I mean, sure, maybe. But for most people, it's 2 to 3 weeks of consistent messaging before the first one signs. Now, the second one comes faster, and the third one faster than that, but the first one almost always takes longer than you expect, and that is completely normal, so don't stop before it happens. Second, giving something away for free feels uncomfortable the first few times you do it. Feels like you're undervaluing yourself, but you're not. What you're doing is lowering the barrier to yes. The website costs you what, like 15 minutes? The monthly system is where you get paid, and once a client sees it working, they're not going anywhere. After over a decade of doing this, here's what I truly believe. Most people who want to build a recurring revenue agency spend months watching videos and comparing tools and building spreadsheets of niches they might target and never send a single message. Not because they can't do it, but because they're waiting to feel ready, which, as you and I both know, waiting to feel ready pretty much is never going to happen. Taking action comes first, feeling ready comes second. But the moment you build that first free website and send that first message, whether the person replies or not, something inside you shifts. You stop being someone who's just thinking about starting an agency, and pretty much immediately you become someone who already started. So the real question isn't whether or not you can do this. I mean, you can. The question is, are you the kind of person who opens Google Maps tonight and finds a local business with a bad website, builds them something in 15 minutes, and sends that message? Or are you the kind of person who closes this tab, thinks, I'll get to that later, and then has this exact same conversation with yourself 6 months from now? A little more informed, a little more ready, but still exactly where you are right now. One of those people builds something real. The other one stays comfortable, but stays stuck. Now, everything I just showed you, the website templates, the follow-up automation, the AI receptionist, the review system, all of it runs inside one platform, high level. I've used it to build 3 different 7-figure agencies, serve over 1,500 small businesses. I do it all with 0 employees, and this is the system. If you want to copy and paste the exact same system, I'll give you an extended free trial and drop my entire agency OS into your account on day 1. That's the pre-built automations, the word-for-word outreach scripts, the website templates, and access to my private insiders community. Everything unlocks the moment you start. Links in the descriptions below this video. And if you want to see the full step-by-step system, I put together a free masterclass that walks you through the whole thing, and I've got it linked up right here. Inside, you'll discover how to pick your niche, land your first client, and scale past 10K a month. So feel free to check that out now, and I'll see you in there in just a second.